guys, how you guys doing today? I hope that you guys are having an awesome Monday. So today what we're going to do, guys, we're going to make rabbit headbands, guys. So you guys see this rabbit fur headband that I'm going to make, guys? I'm going to show you guys how to make it. So all you guys need is a hide of rabbit fur. So you guys can go to Amazon and put in hide of rabbit fur, and you guys can make it. So if you guys see, I already lined it out. I'm going to cut it, guys. Let me bag up. So we're going to make a hide of rabbit fur today. So guys, I'm going to cut here. There we go. And I'm going to cut here. You guys can see. You know, just a video. Nothing major. Nothing major, G. Move back. Mama's working. Move. Okay. And then I'm going to cut across here. Okay. Okay. So you want to get this right away because it's messy. Throw it in the garbage. Pew! Because it's really messy. Okay, so now, guys, I'm going to make a slit down here. Cut it. Them prices way too high. You need to cut it. Okay, guys. So now I'm going to take off the other excess. And, guys, if you guys want to do this, take another sheet because it is going to be messy that you guys can put down so that it don't have the fur all over. Okay, so now, guys, I'm going to open it up. And what I do, guys, I do take a hot glue gun and I do fold over the sides, guys, so that around here and around there. So I'm going to get the hot glue gun, guys, and I'm going to do the sides. And I do the sewing machine, guys. I take it and write down open this up, write down the back line. You guys see? So this is what it looks like now, guys. Let me take this one off. Okay, guys, so you're going to measure it to make sure that it's going to fit around your head. Perfect. It will fit, guys. So now, guys, I am going to sew down this, guys, to connect it together. And then, guys, I'm going to take my hot glue gun, guys, and do one layer of glue, guys, and fold that down like that, and fold the other side down like that, guys. So when it's on, it can be nice, smooth, and laying down. And, guys, if you guys do want to put a lining in there, at this time, guys, you would cut your same piece and do the lining and line it up. But, guys, it doesn't matter to me. I don't have to have a lining, so I'm not going to put a lining in. So I'm going to sew these pieces down, and I'll come back with you guys with the next step, guys. Alrighty then. Remember, I'm just going to sew this side down, guys. And I'm going to get the hot glue gun ready so that I can fold down each side for this headband. Alrighty, guys. I'll be back. So I'm back. So as you can see, I connected it together right here, guys. Sewn it down. And then also fold over an inch on each side. And I took my hot glue gun, guys, and glued each side down. So now what we're going to do is the final piece is take the headband and see where we want to close it off at, how much room we need. So I need about that much closed off, guys. And then how far you want it to go down over your ears. Okay, so now I'm going to take it, flip it back over. And, guys, I'm going to sew it closed. Let's see if it can go on there. Uh-oh. Well, guys, you guys know how to sew something closed. I'm going to sew it closed, and then I'll come back and show you guys the final step, okay? I was trying to bring the camera down and I couldn't get it to go. So I'm just sewing it down, closing it off. And guys, remember, if you want to put a lining on yours, you can. I personally don't want that. So if you guys see, I just close it off. Now I'm going to cut this excess. Okay. And when I open it up, guys, I open it up and I move it around like that so it can make it so you don't see the line. So if you guys want, you could put each line on each side where you had it connected, like that, guys. I think I need it a little bit more tighter, but guys, there you go, guys. A rabbit headband. Now guys, if you guys don't want rabbit and you just want that little fox fur that's in the fabric stores, you guys can go in there and get that as well. Me personally, I prefer for it to be rabbit or fox, so that's why I went with the rabbit. I think, do I need a little bit more tighter? I probably should make it a little bit more tighter because if I make it, but there you go, guys, warm. And in the wintertime, if you don't want to put on no hat and you want your weave or wigs to be looking amazing, guys, you guys can make these rabbit or fox headbands, guys. So there you guys go. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye. So if you guys remember this coat, you guys remember I made this coat a couple years ago where I made it with the leather and the rabbit fur, guys. So I made this coat a couple years ago. You guys see? So guys, you guys can make your own rabbit little fur headband. You see the lining I put in there? Like some gray type lining. So as always, guys, thank you guys for watching. Gino, will Mama make you one? But you black. You won't be able to see. Say bye-bye, guys. Tell them to say bye-bye. Okay, guys, here are a couple still shots of the headband, guys. Yes, you can use rabbit, fur, fox, mink, or the fox fur in the fabric store, whatever you guys prefer to make, guys. And here's a white one that I made as well, guys, made out of rabbit fur. So as always, guys, thank you guys for watching. You guys have an awesome day. Bye-bye, guys. Have an awesome Monday. Bye.